Hi, my name is Mehlab. Not Mehlab, not Mahlab. It's Mehlab. People often get my name wrong, and maybe it's not just my name they get wrong. Because I'm not a pronunciation mistake. I'm a collection of moments. I'm the girl in random videos laughing too loud. The one who overthinks at night. The one who dreams about doing something bigger than where she is right now. I care deeply, sometimes too deeply. I think a lot. Probably more than I should. I'm ambitious, but I'm still figuring things out. I want growth, I want independence, I want more. I am logic fighting emotion, confidence mixed with doubt, strength learning softness. That's kind of me too. A work in progress, still becoming. So yes, my name is Mehlab, and I'm still learning how to define it.